Now the results from the JD Power customer experience just came out, and I must say, boy, yeah, this is something that is pretty exciting because I see on the screen, NIO in the fast growing new energy vehicle market, it took the first spot with a total of 798 out of 1,000. This is something that shows you the kind of experience that the NIO cars are offering to those that buy the cars, which once again it proves and shows us that NIO cars are of top quality. NIO cars are very good, and those that own the NIO cars are showing a quite big interest onto the vehicle, which is something that will fuel even more success into the future. Now, in second place, it was Leodo who took or scoped the 791 points. Then third place, Xpeng with 788 points. But I must say, NIO 798, it shows you that most of the users or most of the people that voted on this category, they see NIO as the top quality car, or the kind of car that is giving good experience to their users, which therefore shows you that NIO, it is a company that is most likely to perform better than the other EV companies because of the kind of comfortability that comes when you buy the NIO cars, because of the more comfort that comes when you buy the NIO car. I mean, you remember that 2 days ago we we're talking of a NIO user that is currently driving a NIO car and said that based on a current experience with the NIO car, she does not see herself driving any other car except a NIO because of the comfortability, because of the technology, because of the quality and safety that the car gives to the user. This is one of the biggest catalysts that will make NIO to succeed even in the future. It is for this reason that I remain long and strong onto the NIO stock, because I know that blue sky is coming, and those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price are definitely going to be rewarded in the long term. Share price wise, NIO closed or finished yesterday trading at $4.04, which it was good to see NIO at least 2 days in a row finishing the day on a green and up around 10% in 2 days, right? Though it is still at the bottom of the barrel in terms of the share price, but it was good to see and quite relieving to see NIO ending the week at least on a positive note. I mean, this week or this coming week, we are going to get the deliveries, which rumors are saying they are coming on Monday, which I'll give them to you as soon as they come out. Then on Thursday, we are going to get the NIO Q2 earnings, which are very, very important, and we look forward to that event as NIO will be announcing their Q2 earnings for the quarter 2, which we saw them reporting record-breaking deliveries. Now, these JD Power results, which are showing NIO leading the pack when it comes to the new energy vehicles, like I said, they give us the sentiment that NIO will do well in this fast-growing EV industry. Those that are thinking NIO is not going anywhere, NIO is going to bankruptcy, they have to think again, because those that are currently driving the NIO cars, their current experience in most of them, it's 5-star, and therefore this will lead into NIO's more success even in the future. Now, when it comes to the international brands, it looks like Mercedes scoped the top spot with 789 points, while Tesla came second with 787 points. These points that these brands got, if you have to look, you will notice that they come below that which NIO scoped, which is 798, which is something that shows you the kind of competitiveness that you find when it comes to NIO. NIO, it is a company that is currently competing with companies like BMW, Mercedes, Audi, and all these top premium brands, and we are seeing and we are continuing to see NIO scooping some of the consumers or customers that buy or own these luxury brands like your Mercedes, BMW, and they're now coming to swap or switch into NIO. This is something that we've been seeing. This is something that we're going to continue seeing, because NIO, when it comes to competition, when it comes to technology, quality, and safety, they are one of the leaders, and they will continue snatching these customers from other premium brands as they continue growing, which will result in them continue growing in terms of sales, which will result in them generating more and more revenues. Otherwise, I'm very happy. I'm excited about this. I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this report. I know previous weeks we did touch base on this report, but we never really got the gist of the report as to how actually NIO managed to get the top spot on this JD Power event which took place in China. But to get to see the breakdowns in terms of the points, I think it tells us and shows us that NIO is a company that is doing well, and this is a company that is going to definitely succeed in the future. I mean, if NIO currently has got over 500,000 vehicles on the streets of China, on the roads of China, and yet we have been hearing, or what we hear about when it comes to NIO, it's only positive vibes, positive news. This tells you the kind of a car NIO is building. This tells you the kind of a car NIO is. This tells you of how reliable NIO cars are to those that buy or that own this car or this brand, which is something that it's just so amazing, and it will make NIO to flourish in the future. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. Tell me what you think about this. Do your own DD before you buy NIO for the very first time, because this stock, truth be told, it is quite volatile, and therefore it requires you to have done some due diligence so that at least you're comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me. Blue sky is coming, and God bless you all.